Hi Jammies! In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way how to make a face mask. You can make this face mask for as quick as 1 minute. All you need is a paper towel, 2 rubber bands, and a stapler. Let's start! This is how it looks when I wear the mask. It's very sturdy and I like it. Make sure that you pick a good quality paper towel so it won't break easily. It's perfectly covering my nose and my mouth. I hope you find this video helpful. Feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been my subscriber for a long time, hi again to you, my jammies. See you again on my next video. This is Jamie Bacani. Have a blessed day, everyone.